Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss on how to write a program using C programming language that will ask the user to give the price of an item and its quantity, and then our program will simply compute the bill to be paid by the customer. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here sharp include IOStream, input output, header file in C. So every application written in C, there is a library file just like this one, or else we cannot perform basic operation like basic input output, variable declaration, looping statement, arrays, among others. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin, and then I declare three variables with hash a data type of double. QTY for quantity, price, and amount. As we all know, when we say double, it has a decimal places. Variables using double has decimal values like 7.56. Okay, so we have here print formatting F or printf new line, the title of our program, bill solver in C, printf \n new line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give price of an item that will be stored in our variable price, %LF. New line here, enter quantity that will be stored in our variable QTY. In this line of code, comment solving the bill here, amount equals price multiplied by QTY, printf new line here, and then we'll display the bill. $5, 5 decimal places to the left, and 2.2 for 2 decimal places to the right, LF amount. LF because we are using double as our data type. New line here in a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Printf new line, and then right curly bracket to close the body of our main function in our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with dev C++. Let us go to execute. This one, execute, compile and run. Right now our application is running perfectly. Bill solver in C, enterprise in item, let's say we have 7.56, quantity, let's say we have 8. So the bill will be $60.48 and a program. Let us close. Let us run again for the second time. Bill solver in C, enterprise of an item, let's say 19.45, quantity, let's say we have 15. So with the quantity of 15, the bill will be $291.75 and the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on bill solver in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.